Hi, this is Tanya from Spotahome.com, and today I will be showing you a lovely shared apartment in Canary Wharf area. It's only 8 to 10 minutes from the tube station, so it's pretty close, a really nice area around, plenty of cafes, restaurants, shops, everything you need. So let me show you the apartment. So we got 2 bedrooms in here. Right in the corridor we got some shelves, a heater. Here we have a bedroom number 1. It looks pretty nice. So here we have pretty much everything we need. We got big chest of drawers, we got a standalone wardrobe, big one. We also have some shelves for shoes, which is really nice. More shelves in here, big mirrors, nice double bed, and also more shelves in here. And we got a beautiful view from the window. As you can see, we are really close to the DLR station as well. For more info about how far this place is from the transport, you can check out the information on the website. Here we have a heater. Here we have bedroom number 2. Check our website for availability. It's almost the same size. Looks really nice. So we have a big standalone wardrobe in here, tall chest of drawers, double bed, and we got a really nice heater. And we got a magnificent view as well. Beautiful area. There's also a shared bathroom. Nice and clean. We got a tub in here, we got a toilet and sink, and you can dry your towels in here as well. And here's the kitchen combined with the living room. Kitchen is full equipped. So we have a fridge, we got a microwave, teapot, oven, also sink and washing machine with a dryer, which is really nice. So pretty much everything you need. Here we have a nice dining table for 6 persons. We got a flat TV screen, 2 big comfy sofas, really nice. And we also got a cozy balcony. As you can see, it's really comfy and it will be beautiful in a sunny weather. So you can enjoy your cup of coffee in here. And there's also a small closet in here so you can store your things, and that's it. Okay, that was Tanya from Spotahome London. I hope you liked this video and this apartment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.